we're crossing. We're at the airport. Yay. We made it through. We made it. Hello. We are going to Japan for the grad trip. We're going to Tokyo, Kyoto and Osaka, and this has been 4+ years in the making of this trip, and I'm so excited. So our flight is about to board. Air Canada. Love Air Canada. Thank you, Air Canada. We weren't sitting next to each other at first, but we asked if they could find us seats, so we were able to get seats together, which is really fun. So now, at least, even though I'm still sitting in the middle, I'm sitting next to someone I can bother. Hello, we are on the plane. I'm scared. I am also scared. We are in the middle, but it's okay, because we're together. I'm gonna murder myself. Guys, they have Wicked. I fear I know what I'm gonna watch. We got our food. We landed. We're alive. Hi everyone. We made it through customs. Hi. It's hot. It's so hot. Hi everyone, we're at and we have like this whole room to ourselves, and it's all you can eat Japanese Wagyu barbecue. First bite of food in Japan. So we have the Wagyu. There's no dripping. That is so good. Hi guys. We are going to the Konbini to go get breakfast, and then we're going to go to Disney Sea. This is the fits. We're matching. We're so cute. What did you get?
I got a cream puff and some coffee.
We're walking to the train station now. Big 11 food slap. That was That was better than any onigiri than I've ever had in Canada. Anyways, we're at the bus stop, guys. I think we were supposed to eat Shinjuku Station, but Shinjuku Station ate us instead.
Unfortunate for us.
But now we finally made it. I need to get better at vlogging. I've been like kind of forgetting because we've been like on the go, but I promise we'll get more content.
By the way, we were just talking to some very friendly Americans. Don't miss your bus.
If you are going,
come early. Come 10 minutes early.
come. Yay! Bye. See you on the bus.
We made it on the bus, guys.
We're finally making it there.
It only took us 2 hours.
Guys, we left at 7 a.m. to get there by 8:30. It is 8:20.
Oopsies.
It's okay. We have matching ears.
We're so cute. Oh my gosh, there's a kid.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
They're so cute.
We are in the first line. I have never ridden the Tower of Terror before, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. We just got off of Tower of Terror. My heart is still beating.
Can you feel my heart? We're hungry.
Every night. It's time to go get food. Got some pork with apple mustard sauce. This looks really good. How are you feeling?
I'm cold and it's windy.
just finished Journey of the Center Earth, which was pretty fun. I think it definitely woke us up after being inside that dark tunnel. Anyways, we're on our way to the Rapunzel ride. We are about to go on the ride. I'm so excited. We are at the Snuggly Duckling eating lunch. This is the lunch. We got a cheeseburger, fries, and a drink. Just went on the Indiana Jones ride. It's a cute ride. It was a good ride.
Not scary at all.
No, we were not terrified at all.
Not yelling the whole time.
We are now going to go to one more ride and then we're dipping.
Yeah.
You're really jet-lagged.
Guys, we're coming up on 20k steps.
This is so good for us.
Girl, I usually don't do more than 5k. We got stuff.
We got food to get us through the night. The sleep is about to be so good. Hi everyone. We are going for day 2. Day 3, technically. It is raining outside, which is not very fun, but it'll be a good day. We found a blind box to start. What is so cute! We're at Big Camera, we're shopping. We tried looking for cameras, but they're like really expensive here, but they have a bunch of stationery. I would have actually like died if I was in high school and in this store. At 7-Eleven, and I found a photo card of my kid, so I got that. Hi friends. Oh, my hair looks like the exact same color.
Mine's way shorter.
We are going to eat because we are hungry. We just had ramen for dinner and it was really good. I don't know how I feel about my hair. I feel like it's really natural. I also didn't want to bleach it, so really it's on me. But yeah.
Guys, I think we're getting good at navigating.
We're getting so good at navigating.
We got in.
We got in, but there's like the longest line. The dogs are out. It's like I'm trying to walk on a mattress. Bubblegum, period. Oh my god. Ah, they're so cute. Cutie patooties. Very nutritional breakfast.
We're such college students.
We're going to the cat temple. I'm so excited. We're finally out of the nail salon. It took forever. It's 3 p.m. We got there at 10:30. But these are the nails. Show the nails. We're starting to shop. Wish us luck. I got a phone case. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. First matcha of the trip. Milk. That's what that is. Your ice cream is better though. Hi guys. Welcome to a haul from Pop Mart in Kittyland, which is basically the only place that I bought things from because I have realized today that I am not a clothes girly. I am a trinket girly. I did pick up a Nyota. I don't really know how to say her name. This one because I feel like she is so cute. Like honestly, at first I didn't really like her, but she was really growing on me. And I think the one that I really would want is the Dream or the Hidden Love. I think like those are really cute. In terms of what I got from Kittyland, I didn't buy a bag because I have my tote bag, but now they're all like floating around in here. First is I got this Rilakkuma plushie. This is for my sister. I have a big Rilakkuma, and so I wanted to give her a little Rilakkuma, just like big sister, little sister. And then I got 1, 2, 3 Smiskies. I then got like a cat temple cat. I got it in the size 3. I got a Pochaco pen. This is a Pentel Energel 0.5 millimeters, and I love the Pentel Energel line. So Pochaco obviously had to get one. And then I've got a bunch of hair clips for like my friends and I got the Pochaco clip, the Romy clips, my Melody clips, and I got like this charm for my friend and I. We both really love pom-pom and cats, so I feel like we'd both be happy with whichever one we got. Other haul from Bit Camera. I got a Zebra Sarasa 0.5 clip pen. For the last thing of the haul, I got Pentel Energel 0.5 refills. This is basically everything that I bought, and if that doesn't summarize who I am as a person, I don't know what is. We're just taking a little break and then we're gonna go back shopping, but yeah, bye! Guys, we made it! I think Mega Don Quixote beat me. Thoughts?
Like a portal to another world.
A bad one.
I literally told him it was hell.
No, that's what I told Jen too. Welcome to our floor. I'm gonna open a blind box. So So here are the two options. Which one should I do? Should I do one I've never opened before, or should I do one that I've opened before?
One that you've opened before.
We're doing the, oh yeah, this is the Living Series whiskey. I really want either blowing on the flute or the cat. I have the leaning one and the holding one. So I really hope I get one that I don't have. We're gonna open. This is my first whiskey of Japan. I also wanted to get my first one Angel, but Kittyland did not have any. Ready? I have Smisky lifting. Do I have Smisky lifting? I don't think I have Smisky lifting. I'm like 99% sure I don't have Smisky lifting. No, I don't. Yay! My first new one. Guys,
I don't get it.
update.
You buy a blind box.
I have the Smisky that I just opened. I'm so sad. Hi everyone, and welcome to day 4. We are going to Shibuya. We're first going to the Onitsuka Tiger store to see if we can grab a pair. I'm taking a breather. It's like the Hunger Games. And you get one pair. I'm not buying myself shoes because I don't think I can handle it.
That's the goat. Actually, that's a sheep.
We're trying to ask some Filipino family to take our photo for us. It's very hard, but we're so scared. Oh my god, it's my mom. Guys, we just saw someone get proposed to. That is crazy. That's insane. These are matcha. I like this one. Yay! We crossed! We made it!
We're holding hands. We're holding hands.
Oh my god! We're going to Mount Fuji. I need breakfast though. We are at the train station. devoured those beef skewers. I literally have eaten so much beef. Japanese beef is so good. So good. Now we eat daifuku. How do I eat this? Oh my god. That's good. The strawberry is so good.
The strawberries are amazing. Oh my goodness.
Excellent work.
Excellent.
Here's the Godzilla head. We've gotten so good at that. We can shop at a convenience store like a pro. We're in Sensoji. It's so big. And there's a lot of people. It is currently 9 a.m. Oh,
The duality.
the duality of girls. That is so good. I got the Sunday series, and okay, I've been like to 2 stores, and they both didn't have them. But we got to some like souvenir shop here since 17. Anyways, I'm gonna open one just because I've been looking for this series literally everywhere. I really would like, honestly I really like this series, but I would really love the ukulele one or the skateboarding one or the one with like the cat lying on him. But also I'd be okay with any of them. And I'll never get a double with this because I haven't opened a single Sunday yet. Yay! Oh, he's blowing a little bubble! That's so cute. Look at him!
It's adorable.
So cute! Guys, she bought a Smisky.
She convinced me to get a Smisky.
So we're gonna see what she gets. Okay, open it.
I want
this one. If I don't get this one, oh, the airplane one is kind of cute too.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, he's so ugly.
No! It's Misky on a skateboard! It's so cute!
He's not cute.
Yes, he is!
Ugly.
This is so cute. Oh my god!
I also got Oiki.
What a cutie patootie. Anyways, let's do a haul of McDonald's food. I got a McDonald's shake. Shaka chicken.
Ripe tomato pizza style sauce.
This is one of their toys. It's like a card.
Egg tartar sauce.
The chicken nuggets here are 5 pieces and a half. Fries. Red pepper flakes. I also got cheese powder for the fries. I got the guy one. I got the girl one. Nice luck. Oh my god, so cute. That's so cute. And then in terms of the she's pink.
She's so cute.
Wait, I think this is the secret.
Oh my god, it totally is.
We both got the secret today. Period. She's so cute. She bought another Smisky. After saying she wouldn't buy them again. Which one is it?
I'm getting another.
Hi vlog. This is my third
I don't have a problem. I just want the one I want.
You just want the one you want. Oh my god, the ukulele! Oh my god, he's so cute.
You know what? I'm not even mad about that.
That one is so cute.
Not even mad.
Final one because it's gonna be Smisky sunbathing. Oh, it's Smisky's throwing an airplane. We're trying to pull for Smisky sunbathing for Isa. She has a ukulele, and I want a ukulele. This tongue blowing bubble. This is the third one today. Doesn't deserve a head, okay? Deserves to be this. I hate getting doubles. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna cry at how cute this is. I really cannot. It's so cute. She did it. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're debating how we're gonna pay off our spending. I think I need a job, like ASAP.